Big shout out to you because you're on the day 2 of this very challenge. This is our 7 days YouTube automation challenge, and we started yesterday, which was the day 1, and this is the day 2. And in this 7 days challenge, we are all about building and growing our YouTube automation channel the right way that works right now in 2026. And if you've not watched the previous video, which is the day 1, go ahead and watch that particular video. Right, this is the day 2 of this very challenge. And in this day 2, we're going to be creating our AI faceless creator. And for us to achieve that, we're going to be doing only 3 simple steps right here in this day 2. And the first step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create an AI face that will manage your YouTube channel while you stay at the back end to control things, okay? And we're going to be using the viral nano banana prompt for this, okay? And the second step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make it talk, how you can make it react, laugh as a professional creator, all right? And the third step of this very day 2, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually edit this in CapCut, so you can actually match the 16:9 ratio and also the 9:16 ratio, okay? So depending on the type of video you want to make for your own channel, this is just a little snippet of what you're going to be achieving.
I just spent the last 2 months destroying my credit card testing AI video generators, and I'm about to save you from making the same expensive mistakes I did. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tool to use for your specific content without throwing away money on overhyped garbage. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button for Padded Vibes channel, because we're exposing the truth about AI tools every single week. Drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. Let's get straight into it.
You can see the AI avatar talking in that particular video. For us to get this done for ourselves, we're going to be using these 3 tools. This is the Google Nano Banana AI. We're going to be using the Meta AI as well, or Grok AI, and also CapCut or Descript. Okay, so if you're using mobile phone, CapCut is best for you, alright? So the first step is to actually create our AI face. Okay, so I have 2 different prompts. Okay, for instance, if you go to my Nano Banana, you can see the images I created. Right, so the first thing you have to do is simply come over to your browser and go to gemini.google.com. You have to simply select Google Nano Banana. You can see right here, this image section. Just click on it. Once you click on this, it will now turn to an image generation system. Okay, so the first you need to do is simply copy the prompt. Okay, so we're going to be copying a prompt, a simple prompt. So just copy this prompt. I'm going to be dropping this prompt on our Telegram and also our WhatsApp channel. All the prompts we're going to be using, I'm going to be dropping it on Telegram and also on WhatsApp channel. Okay, just click on this, copy this prompt, then come to this very section. Let's see, we want to create this on this section. Let's paste it here. So let's see what is going to simply generate for us now. Just click on this send button, paste the same prompt on Meta AI. Okay, just click on this create image, then paste it here. All right, so you select the 16:9, click on this send button. Let's see what the tool is going to simply give us. Okay, and go back to Gemini here. It has already generated an image and we don't like this image. Okay, so what we have to do right now is to actually go back here and check out the ones from Meta. You can see the ones from Meta is actually better, but there are some things we have to improve in none of them. Okay, so I'm going to simply go ahead and download this, then download this, and download this guy. Okay, so these ones are cool. I don't want this guy. So what I'm going to do right now is simply come back here. You can see this one right here didn't give me any cool job, right? I don't like this. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is simply give it a second prompt. I'm going to simply give it a second prompt. We have Grok AI that can actually do the same thing. Paste your prompt here and you can simply generate something. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is simply go back here, then paste this second prompt. I'm going to be pasting a second prompt. This one is a detailed prompt. Okay, so just click on this generate, and while that is generating, let's use the first prompt and then go to image on Grok, then add the same stuff. Just select image, create the image. So remember, this was the first prompt. Okay, just send it out. So the reason why we're using these platforms is to actually compare and contrast the one that is better, because we want the best. All right, so let's go back here. You can see it has already generated something cool. It is better than the previous one. You can see right here, it is better than the previous one. All we have to do is simply save it. Okay, so go back to Meta AI and copy the same prompt. Remember, we are copying the second prompt now. Copy the same prompt from here, go to Meta AI and paste it here. Okay, then send it, then go back here, check out whether this one is done generating the image. You can see right here, it generated a lot of stuff. Okay, but we don't really like this stuff. Okay, so the first prompt is not really detailed, the second one was detailed. Okay, so that's why it's making a lot of mistakes. All right, but out of these same mistakes, you can actually pick some stuff that are making sense. You can see this one is cool, but this is just a head photo, right? This one is also cool. You can see this one is also cool, this one is cool. Come back here You can see right here we have cool images right here, okay, but we didn't actually select to go with 9 by 16. That was the mistake I made. Okay, so I'm gonna simply add again. I'm gonna add it again, then select 16 by 9. Okay, so send it again. We have good realistic images here. So one thing about Meta AI is that you can actually animate it instantly from this very section. Okay, so let's go ahead and animate this one. But before we animate, click on download first. You can actually download this as an image before animating it. You can also animate this one too. Yeah, animating two different images. Okay, so go back here and press the same prompt. So remember, we've already downloaded this one as well. Okay, so let's go back and copy the same prompt, give it to Grok AI, and see whether it can actually generate something better for us. Okay, so we've already sent it, so let's wait for it. So while that is generating, remember we've already gathered some images of stuff. Let's go back to our file manager. You can see the ones we've already downloaded. These are the ones we've already downloaded from here. So let's go back from here, and you can see we have cool beta stuff here. You can see we have cool beta stuff. You can animate them from this very section. So if you click on it now, you can actually download it. This is download button. Click on this download button here. It has been downloaded. Go back here, then click on this one to download it. All right, so we have two different stuff right here. Okay, so we've already generated some stuff here. Okay, so you can turn it to a video as well. So I'm going to be showing you how you can turn them to a video, right? Can I import another image and tell it to animate it? These are the ones we got. You can click on this and tell it to animate this. Okay, animate this, make it talk, and also make hand movement. Okay, when you send it out, it's gonna simply do the same thing for you. Copy the same prompt from here, then upload that same image. Okay, I want to select that, then add the same prompt here. Okay, it's gonna simply turn this to a video right now. Okay, so let's go back to Meta AI to see. You can see this is the one from Meta AI. It has already generated this, and you can see it has already opened the mouth. I don't like this mouth opening from the mask. Okay, what is it for? I don't really know. So click on this animate, and click on this animate. These are the two stuff right here that makes sense. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually animate your stuff. Okay, this one is also making the video for us. Remember, we are using two different platforms right now to make this work. You can see this one is better. Once you get the one you want, you can actually save it on your device and start using that. Okay, so let's go back to Meta AI. This is what we have here. You can see all of them has been animated. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually generate your own animations and also for your avatar. Okay, so having known that, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and edit this via CapCut. So I'm going to be using my mobile phone. So we are on the mobile phone right now. So if you go back to this very section, you can see why we have CapCut. The first thing you have to do, the first app you have to download is CapCut. Okay, just download CapCut right here. So if you open CapCut, you can see this is just the sample of the video I showed you. You can see a lot of stuff went down for this to actually work. Okay, so you can see, but I'm going to be showing you all of these things in full details on when we start editing our videos. We have clip, we have audio, we have subtitles, we have adjustments. So if you click on this right now,
I just spent the last 2 months destroying my credit card testing AI video.
Okay, you can see right here, this is where the AI avatar flashed. You can see it here. This is where it flashed. Okay,
AI video generators. I'm about to save you from making the same expensive mistake. But
okay,
at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tool to use for your specific content without throwing away money over garbage. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button for Padded Vibes channel, because we're exposing the truth about AI.
okay, you can see the next place where this particular AI avatar is going to be flashing. Okay, so it's not going to be in all part of the video, just where that gesture will fit in the voice. Okay, the place where their animation will fit in the voice, that is where you have to add it. Okay, so let's wait for it.
The truth about AI tools every single week. Drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from.
You can see right here, in reality, what this particular audio said is not actually what this avatar is talking about, but the movement of the body, the hand, all of them went hand in hand. Okay, so let me play it again.
About AI tools every single week. Drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from.
You can see where you're watching from, and I quickly cut it off so that it won't actually make mistakes of adding another stuff or maybe saying another thing when the audio I haven't said anything. Okay, this is a strategy you have to simply be using to create your videos, but I'm going to simply do something right now. Okay, so let's go back, go to CapCut, click on create. Okay, you can see the image we added right now. So I'm going to be adding this one. This is the one I'm going to be adding, this guy.
Hey everyone, I've been testing out this new software.
You can see the guy I've already added.
Hey everyone, I've been testing out this new software. The interface is super clean and intuitive.
Okay, make sure that you upscale this particular image, okay, or video. Just go to the, click on it and go to adjust. Okay, then go to sharpen. I'm gonna be sharpening it. You can click, it was looking blurry before, but if you upscale it, it's going to simply make more sense. Okay, let's say if you want to add filter, you can actually select any of these filter from here. You can see it's better now, but if you remove it, you can see how it looks like yellowish. But if you add this, you can see it's very much better now. You can actually detect whether it's human or AI. Okay, import whatever thing you want to import. Let's say I want to import something like this. Let's say I want to import something like this, and this is going to simply be the beginning of the video, and I want to import an audio file. Okay, so let's say I want to go with this, then I have to simply make this play first. Okay, okay, let me increase it.
I just spent the last 2 months destroying my credit card testing AI video generators, and I'm about to save you from...
Okay, so remember, when you get to this very point that doesn't have a break, just play it.
And I'm about to save you from making the same expensive mistakes I...
Okay, then you can actually cut this particular guy from here and let your AI avatar take over. Okay, then you can play it from here.
I just spent the last 2 months destroying my credit card testing AI video generators, and I'm about to save you from making...
Then remove the voice from this guy.
I'm about to save you from making the same expensive mistakes I did.
Good. Then you cut it out. When you cut it out, another clip will now come in. All right, whatever thing you want to add. Let's say I want to add this. Okay, you can actually play it from here.
I just spent the last 2 months destroying my credit card testing AI video generators, and I'm about to save you from making the same expensive mistakes I did.
You can see how it just flashed with the same voice, okay, and also the same gesture. Okay, you can't actually detect whether it is that same thing that the audio said that the guy said, because the mouth is covered with the mask. Okay, and this is just the specific and a strategic way of actually do this, so that you won't be wasting your time generating lip sync videos and all of that, wasting money and all of that. Okay, for this to actually work for you, let's go back, let's remove all of these things and make this longer by duplicating it. At least 1 minute is better, so that when you import one in your video, you can actually cut it and know where you have to place them. All right, so when we start editing our videos, then you know how this thing works. Okay, so we have 1 minute already. Okay, so this is it. Once that particular one finishes, another one will enter. You can see it, but we want it to enter smoothly. All right, you can see what we have now. Just click on this export button, Ultra HD. Make sure you select 18, just make sure you select 1080p. all right, select 1080p so that the quality will remain the same. Okay, so remember, we're going to be importing it and also exporting it in future videos. All right, so once you have that in place, you can see we have 86 megabytes. And then click on this export file. That's how you can actually create your own AI avatar. And by the day of this very challenge, this is going to simply be massive. We're going to be making our keyword research, then picking a trending topic, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually use this particular avatar which you've already created to create your videos, to show your screen, and also to edit it, export it. All the tools we're going to be using in this very challenge are going to be 100% free of charge. And by the day of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you 3 simple steps how you can actually do your keyword research, the best search pattern that works right now, create the script with viral prompt which I'm going to be providing you in this very challenge, all for free. Okay, and also upload on YouTube for monetization. Okay, and if I were you, I will not miss out on this very day 3 of the challenge. Okay, see you in the next one.